2008 Ford Super Duty F-350 DRW. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat, power passenger seat, power outlet. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.